What's up, everybody? It's Julius here with MFA, and today I have a quick hitter for you. We got a 10-minute body weight workout, and you won't need any equipment. So we're here for a good time, not a long time, so let's get right into it. First, to start off, we're gonna do world's greatest stretch. We're gonna start in a high plank. We're gonna get that right foot forward, okay? Then we're gonna get a big rotation up to the sky here, okay? Try to keep that back leg as straight as you can. Then we're gonna alternate sides here. Again, keep that back leg straight, big open rotation. Okay, you can rotate to and from that knee as well, just to kind of work both sides. Okay, back to the top, foot to the hand, big open rotation. And then we'll also go to the other side. One more time, left leg up to the hand, back leg straight, open away from the knee, and we go open toward the knee. All right, nice work. Now we're gonna do big open leg kicks. We're gonna open up the shoulders, big circle with the shoulders, big straight leg kick with the legs here. Really try to get those feet as high as you can as we do each rep and really open up the shoulders. Let's get in a few more reps each side. Boom, boom, last one. And good. Last but not least, we're gonna get into a skip, double jumping jack for 30 seconds. All right, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. 2 A skips, 2 jacks. Let's get the heart rate up, get the body moving and active, and ready to go. Good. 10 more seconds. Skip, skip, and double jack. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, good work. So real quick, we want 40 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. All the way throughout this workout, we have 10 total exercises. So not a lot of rest, and we don't have a lot of time. So let's get right into it and try to move your body as much as you can. If you have to take a pause, totally fine, all right? So for the first exercise, we're gonna do a squat to a step back, squat to a step back, all right? Try to get as low as you can. Once you fill out the movement, you can get that speed going as well, all right? We're gonna start in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Big squat, step and extend. Squat, step and extend. Just tapping that toe behind you and really trying to get some extension. You should feel those glutes and those quads working as well. Good. Again, we only got 10 minutes here to really pick up that pace and really get the most out of this workout. Good. 15 more seconds. Let's get some reps. Nice work in 5, 4, 3, 2, and good. Nice work. Next up, we have a front lunge with a twist, okay? It's a big step forward, nice little twist toward the knee, and then back, all right? 3, 2, and 1 step with that right leg, big twist, and back. Big twist, and back. So we're just making a nice little fist here and rotating across the body. Get a nice little exhale as you twist toward that top knee. Good work. If you feel a little off balance, do that rotation a little slower and really control it, all right? 5 more seconds here. And relax. All right, next up, we have a cross-body crunch. We have those fingertips behind the head, big open twist. Really try to touch that knee to the elbow, all right? 3 seconds, 2, 1, big open crunch, just like that. Try to keep that core engaged. Keep everything nice and tense. Big exhale as you do that big rotation. Again, pick up the speed here where you need to. And really try to work those obliques, work the core here. 20 more seconds. Nice work. Keep driving. Last 10, 7, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Nice work. Next up, we're gonna do what's called takeoffs. Swing those arms back. You should feel like you're gonna take off and do a nice little plyometric jump here, all right? We're gonna do that continuously for 40 seconds. 3, 2, 1, start on the toes, swing back, drive up and through. Okay, really try to drive up in an explosive manner, and you should feel like you wanna take off from the ground. Try to be nice and slow on the load and really explosive all the way through the toes here. Good. 15 more seconds. Pick up the pace. Once you figure it out, you should feel those glutes working, quads, calves, of course. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, next up, we're gonna do what's called power chops. We're gonna rip across our body, rip, rip, rip. The key here is to really try to keep that core engaged. You don't want your back to be far involved. You really wanna keep that core nice and tight, all right? 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, nice wide stance, big rip, 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 rip. Okay, you wanna rip and stick. Rip and stick, and try to keep those hips turning with that fist, all right? Nice work. Really try to exhale as you twist from side to side. And keep those arms nice and locked out. Good. 15 more seconds. Good. And last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good work. All right, so now we're gonna go kind of back to the top with those exercises, but we're gonna add a little variation. So we're gonna go back to that squat again, except we're gonna do a nice little kick back instead of a step back, all right? So we'll kick that leg back, squat, kick, squat, all right? 4, 3, 2, 1, big squat, extend, squat, extend. Try to get some great depth here on that squat and great extension on that kickback. Big key on that kickback, try to keep that toe pointed toward the ground just to prevent you from opening up the hip here. Good. 15 more seconds. Burn up the glutes, burn up the quads. We're almost through here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good work. All right, so just like that first set, we did front lunges with the twist. Now we'll go in reverse. Make that balled fist, twist toward that top leg as you step back, all right? 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, right leg up top, big step back, twist toward that knee, then we'll alternate sides. Again, if you feel like you're falling off balance, slow down that twist at the bottom, and then big, powerful drive up. Good, okay? Be nice and explosive as you come up. Big exhale. Good, 15 more seconds of work. Once you feel it out and kind of have your balance underneath you, you can pick up that speed. Good. 5 seconds. 3, 2, and good work. All right, next up, instead of the cross body crunch like we did, we're gonna do a side crunch. We're going side, knee to elbow here, all right? 3, 2, 1, big 40 seconds, okay? Keep everything nice and tall, keep the core engaged. And a big key here too as well, keep that bottom leg locked. You might wanna bend a little bit as you crunch up. Keep it nice and locked out as you crunch from side to side here, all right? Let's get some good reps. Keep everything nice and tense. Also another key here too is keep that bottom leg straight. Sometimes it wants to bend as we make that tuck. So keep those glutes engaged as well by keeping that leg nice and straight, all right? Good, 20 more seconds. Let's get some reps in. Drive those hips up to the elbows. Good. Last 10. And 5, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, we're gonna go back into those takeoffs. We're gonna do a nice little double tap and back to the bottom, okay? Double tap and back. 3, 2, 1, big swing, up top, tap, boom. Okay, if you wanna make less impact, go back to those takeoffs to the toes. But we wanna make a nice little double tap here. Okay, the double tap will just kind of give you some pace. Big swing with those arms. You should feel like you're about to do a nice, tall, vertical jump. Good. Halfway, 20 more seconds here. Good. Really utilize those arms, give you that power as you come up. In 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, last exercise here. We did those cross body chops. Now we're gonna go overhead stick, and with this one, get a nice little pivot there as well, all right? 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, we'll start right to left. Overhead, stick, stick. Try to be really violent as you go up top and slow it down and stick as you hit the bottom. You're really explosive through this. Keep those arms straight and locked out at the top. As you feel this movement out, get some speed in there too. Last 20 seconds. Last exercise, finish strong here. We'll do a quick little cool down and then I'll send you off. Good, keep working. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good work. All right, so I know that was only 10 minutes, but let's get in a quick stretch just to make sure we're nice and loose and we'll get the heart rate down and get the body stretched out, all right? So we'll go back to that world's greatest. Again, we'll go into a high plank, right foot to right hand, open toward the knee, open away from the knee. All right, we'll do 2 each side, up toward the knee. Keep that back leg as straight as possible and away. Last one, right foot to right hand toward the knee, open and rotate, exhale. And we'll go to the other side, open and rotate. Let's get that rotation on the other side as well. And we're good to go. All right, thank you for joining me for another workout. I know this was quick, it was a lot of fun, but if you need a finisher, if you need something towards the end of a workout or as a warm-up as well, kind of make it work for you. Appreciate you for joining me for another one. I'll see you at the next one.